Hey guys, today is the day update of what day is it? It's like 20 August or something. I just came to the same location and I didn't do any open today. And I'm not judging myself, but I'm kind of judging that I'm not able to take a lead where I should be. And that's so frustrating. And I noticed some patterns in me that I want to share is that. And yeah, yesterday I did break up with my girlfriend, and it was very. I was very aware while doing it, and so yeah. First, I wanna share. You see the set, you don't see the conviction. Like it might happen to you. Like if you go out with the game, and you don't see the conviction in you, and it just strangely happens, and it's like you are not attuned in your mind that you wanna do it or not. You are in some other things, but at the time you have to just fake the walk, I would say. You just fake the walk like with a conviction, like in a very like eye-opening way. It's actually about like you don't have the right neural chemical in your brain, which is it's not a right balance in your brain, so that's what happens for that. And another thing that I'm able to shoot in public video with a good voice and better than yesterday. I'm very proud of that about myself, and I'm able to go in and I would continue with this. Like I would just go out with game, then after my last 20 minutes excited, I'll just start the recording and just start recording the beats. So that's about it. And yeah, actually I noticed some of the other things also, which is one was the conviction. Like you don't see the conviction in you when you just reach the when it's maybe because you have worked so much. I have worked so much today, and I'm not in my release muscle as per se. I'm gonna go home and meditate and practice more of that. That's a cool to release the trauma and stuff like that. And you might also see the same pattern when you see the set, like when you're about to open or something like that. You might see some strange vibration in your hand or something like that. You just have to notice that it's a trauma energy that's coming up, and you just have to release it. Just stay with it. It will gonna release on its own. If you just if you just shake your hand or something like that, then it won't release. It might accumulate and it might increase. That's what I have noticed in myself. Please do note down your experience with it. And last thing that you see the set, you you just have to do it. That's what I have understood. Like no one's going to open for you. Like if you're solo, no one's going to open for you. And if you're with a wing, then it helps to have some that pressure that helps you to open. Like someone is there to push you, or someone is there to like you wanna approve. Like you don't wanna make him bad or something like that. That helps to boost that energy. And when solo, it's very fucked up. It's not fucked up, but it's very hard, you can say. It's just that your chemicals are not right in your brain, so you might wanna try to just notice that and try to increase that as per I say. And so tomorrow I'm just gonna I'm just gonna do like I have to do. No one's going to open for me. And that's about it for this video. I think I'll just wrap this video for now. I didn't open any sets today, and I'm just gonna work on it. This might be the one of the pattern recognition beats for like future. That is when I went out today and I see this pattern that I'm not convinced. I don't see conviction, and that's about it. I went out for 1 hour. It was a very good, and the green part I'm able to shoot in a very public place, you can say. I was not able to do it yesterday, and I have noticed some patterns that don't give a fuck about anyone else, like when I'm shooting. And I'm just gonna practice it more and more. I'm actually on the same venue as I was on yesterday, so my brain has the same reference experience. But you might see I just did that. It was some trauma release. It was happening, but I just I'm not judging it, but I'm just saying it as an example. And so I have the pattern, and you can just record the video while I'm just thinking that you are video call or something, and that might help you to, like, rationalize, you can say, what you're doing. And I might find the same thing when I just open, like, I might just find the same thing that I already know how. And if I open like that, it's gonna do better. It's gonna help me rationalize better. But yeah, I might post my experience about that. And on the infield part, I'm about to shoot like next week, or maybe not next week, then next week. I'm just gonna keep it updated. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked and subscribe, and do share, comment how was the day. See you tomorrow. Bye. Also, like, you might see that I'm feeling a little bit stifled, so that's why I didn't do like my handshake too much. And it's not a fucked up, it's just in pattern that I'm just seeing, and I just have to get used to it more and more just to open it up. And I also urge you to like start your own channel just to do this shit. And yeah, I hope you liked it again, and I'm just gonna turn off it now, like a 3, 2, 1. Bye. See you. Bye.